Hi, welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I am Saddam Hussain here. I welcome you all. In the saving function, last class we had average propensity to save. That is the ratio of savings to income. Now we go to next concept of saving function in Keynesian economics of income and employment. What exactly is marginal propensity to save, MPS? Marginal propensity to save is the ratio of change in savings to change in income. It's the ratio of change in savings to change in income. That is delta S upon delta Y. It shows what is the percentage change in savings as a result of change in income. So we take one illustration, an example to understand here. Suppose the income in the economy is 100 crores and it has gone up from 100 to 200 crores. As a result of it, the consumption has gone up from 80 to 100 crores. So if you calculate savings here, when income is 100, the consumption is 80, the savings are 20 crores. Because of increase in income from 100 to 200, consumption has gone up from 80 to 100. So obviously the savings will be 100 here. 200 minus 100 is 100. Now what is MPS here? Delta S upon delta Y. So this is the one here. Change in savings is 80 and change in income is 100. So 80 upon 100 is 0.8. What it means 0.8, what does it show? 0.8 shows for every 1% increase in income, the savings in the economy will go up by 80%. Suppose the income has gone up by 100%, the change in savings will be 80% of the change in income. That is delta S upon delta Y as a result of change in income. So I repeat once again, MPS, marginal propensity to save, delta S upon delta Y, it's the ratio of change in savings to change in income. Suppose the income has gone up from 100 to 200, as a result consumption has gone up from 80 to 100, the savings have gone up from 20 to 100, so the change in savings are 80 here, change in savings, and change in consumption is 100, that means 0.8. That means for every 1 rupee increase in the economy, the consumption has gone up. As a result, there will be 80% of the change in income leads to savings, 0.8%. The value of MPS always ranges between 0 to 1. It can never be 0, it can never be 1. Because why it is so? Whenever the national income increases, along with the increase in national income, there has to be some increase in consumption. There has to be some increase in consumption, not whatever, whenever the national income increases, the entire national income will become savings, so it cannot happen. So it can never be, MPS can never be 0 and MPS can never be 1, because whenever the income increases, consumption has to increase, okay, and savings will also increase. So it can never be 0, it can never be 1, because delta S upon delta Y, the change in income can never be equal to the change in savings, because there has to be some increase in consumption. It cannot be 1, it cannot be 0, because why it cannot be 0? Because delta Y can never be equal to delta C. So that's it. I simply sum it up once again. MPS, marginal propensity to save, MPS, delta S upon delta Y, it's the ratio of change in savings to change in income, delta S upon delta Y. Change in savings, delta S, change in income is delta Y. The value of MPS ranges between 0 to 1. It can't be 0, it can't be 1, because delta Y can never be equal to delta S. Whenever the income goes up in the economy, national income, the consumption definitely will go up and savings both will increase. So neither MPS nor MPC can never be 0 or 1. They always range between 0 to 1. That's all we have time for this small short video. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussein. Work hard for the exam.